In this video, I'm featuring this BougeRV portable water heater that was sent over to me to check out and make this video. I'm going to bring you guys in and give you a close-up look at the heater and all the attachments. Then I'm going to set this up in real time so you can see just how fast it takes to set it up and get some hot water so that you can get in the shower. Let's get into it. So guys, in the box, obviously you're going to get your water heater. You get a really detailed user manual. You're going to get your gas regulator, an AC charger, shower head holder. This here is a charger for your cigarette lighter adapter. You're going to get your pump with the hose for cold water inlet, and shower head and a hose for hot water outlet. So let's get this set up and show you just how fast this thing will get up and running. Okay guys, so you're going to start off by charging up the battery. This here will do about 12 showers, assuming you're taking an 8-minute shower. Obviously you're going to need some water. I got a bucket of water here, and you're also going to need one of these here 1-pound propane tanks. So to start off, what we're going to do is put the gas regulator in. This here just screws into the back of the unit like so. It's got a T-nut on there, so it's really easy to get inserted and tighten up. Obviously I'm doing this here in reverse, so it's going to look a little bit awkward to you, but it's easy to do. Then you're going to insert your propane tank in the back here. And that's it for the back of it. Now, on the front, going to put our hot water out on. Simply quick attach. It's easy peasy. Then we're going to put our cold water side on. I'm going to drop the pump down into the water there. Come over here. Cold water side goes on. Quick attach. Then we're going to put the cord into the pump for power. And we also got a magnetic holder here. Now this here holder can be either hung up on a nail. It does have a hole there for that. You can put this here on the side of your van or RV. If you're doing the RV or van life, this is magnetic. And also the heater itself is magnetic on this side over here. So that's a pretty strong magnet, and you can put the shower head on like so. So to get it going, you're gonna turn it on, and you're gonna set your temperature, your desired temperature. I'm gonna set this here at 100. Gonna turn the pump on. Pump is starting to pour water in now into the internal tank. I'm gonna let that fill up before I start pumping it out. All right, so you see the water temperature. This here is what the temperature of the water is inside the tank now. This here is going out. So now we're going to, on the shower head here, this here is basically going to start the water flow. So I'm going to press that. Once the water starts flowing, the furnace will come on and start to heat the water up. All right, now the water's starting to flow. The flame is on, which means that the furnace is on, and you're going to see this here start to climb up on this side over here now. So right now the water's coming out at 77 degrees, 81 degrees, 84 degrees, 88, and that water's already warming up to take a shower in already. So it's going to continue to climb up until it hits the temperature that I have it set at, which is 100 degrees, and it's warm and ready for a shower. Now this here does have 3 different modes. You've got your big fountain, basically a little bit weaker, and then you got kind of a stream. So you can, set this here to however you like to take a shower. And again, if you have the side of a van, or you have a hook, you can put this on and actually hang this up and not have to hold on to it, or you can use it as a handheld. So there you have it, guys. As you can see, in under 5 minutes, I was able to get this water heater set up and have 100-degree water to shower in. So if you're looking for a portable, easy to use water heater for your weekend camping trips, van or RV life, I highly recommend this BougeRV portable water heater. I hope this helps.